So currently we're going to find a squirrel. We got the bow on. We got one about 32 yards away here. I'll show you him once I get to the top of the hill. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sneak up on him or not, but this guy might be dead meat. Hold on a second. Oh, there he is. That's a big squirrel right there. Oh, that little son of a bitch. He already walked into the woods. Probably not gonna be able to get him here. Oh, he's in the tree. That makes for an extra hard shot right there. If you could shoot him out of the tree, that's extra skill. But oh, he's running across the